Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with some happy mail. This special mail comes from Marisa Alvarez. Thank you so much for sending in your entry and welcome to my channel. This is for my birthday giveaway challenge and this is entry number 10. So if you'd like to join, you still have time till April 5th to send in your entries. I'll link the video explaining all the fun details and the fun prizes that you will receive. There will be 2 random winners that I'll be picking on April 10th. So let's have a look and see what she sent. Let me put this headband to the side there. And I'm gonna pull this out. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. Look at this fairy. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at that beautiful hair. I love that. It looks like she's made me a little folder. Oh, how cute. This is so amazing. Let me read the card. It says Clarissa. Oh, how sweet. It says March Spring Fever. How adorable. You just open this up. What a fun way to package your pocket letter. And create a folder too. Wow! Look at this! That is so pretty. I love that. I love the contrast with the purple, and then we have some of the beautiful bling here on the side. Let me read this card real quick. Thank you so much, Marissa. Welcome to my channel. I love meeting new crafty friends. Marissa mentioned that she is new to crafting and she discovered my channel through Liana's channel, which is It's a Deal. So thank you so much. I'm so excited to meet some new crafty friends. Her Instagram, if you'd like to check it out, is Fun Size Crafter. What a cute name. So I am going to also look that up and check it out. But this is adorable. I love the way you package this. She has made me an ATC card. Let me show you this first, and then we'll look at that beautiful pocket letter in just a second. It says, make a wish. I love these green little gem dots and this beautiful sticker. I love how stylish she is. It's something I would definitely wear. I love it. It's so cute. And I always wear sunglasses, so this is so me. How cute is this? Oopsie. We have some fun information. So, oh, she's a March baby. Belated happy birthday. And again, Fun Size Crafter is her Instagram. Her style is simple. Hobbies are shopping and crafting. And fave colors are teal, pink, gold, and blue. That is so awesome. I love it. Thank you so much. Now let's have a look and see what this beautiful pocket letter looks like. I love it. So one of my categories was whimsical, and as you can see, she made me this folder with the fairy, and unicorns are definitely in that category. Look at this adorable little ring, little charm here that she put some beads on with a variety of trims. I love this rainbow colored one, and this is so soft. It's a nice, like almost like an eyelet yarn, but it's so pretty. And then she's also added some beautiful gems here with pink and purple. Oh, and I love those mushrooms in the back, and the dimensions of the sticker she added is so fun. And what is, oh, it's a pocket. So she's created a pocket. I'm gonna flip it over. Oh my gosh, that is too adorable. Let me just pull this out. She's made a cute little tag, and I love this little die that you use. It reminds me of a coffee cup with latte or tea. And then she's made several of these tags here. I love that. Beautiful colors. These are my favorites. And you also have this one, which is so cute. How cute is that with her little bow? And she's winking. And it looks like she has included a few more things. There's a pocket here. Let's see what's in it. Oh, wow. Oh, wait. Let me flip it just to be sure I'm doing this. Oh, how cute. It's like a little journal card. I can definitely write in there. And I love how she's embellished the card with some washi tape. That is super fun. And how cute is that? You can put your little journal entry in there if you would like, or a message. That is a fun idea. And then let's see the other one. How cute is this? I love that. I've never seen these washi before. Love the polka dot and the adorable unicorns on there. I love this. That's a great idea to add some of these cards in your pockets. I've never seen that done actually, but that's really cool. And then here's another one. Oh, how cute. That is so cute. And look at how thin this washi is at the bottom. Super adorable. I love the color combinations as well. Now, isn't that whimsical? And look again at that beautiful, that's a beautiful fairy. And I love this ATC and these beautiful tags that you've made me. That is so pretty. Thank you so much, Marisa, for joining my little birthday challenge giveaway, and good luck. And I'm super excited as you start your paper crafting journey. I feel so lucky and blessed to have one of your first creations here. So thank you so much, Marisa. Guys, I'll put her Instagram link down below if you'd like to show her some crafty love. Make sure to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. Thanks again for watching. Karamia's Corner. See you next time.